projects. We're going to install these in a later video today, and we're going to clean up some stuff around here so we can access the Trans Am. Hey guys, so we're going to work on our trailer today. We're going to move this over to there and then install this over to here. So you can see about fixing up the boards a little bit, trying to get them better situated, and then maybe installing the E-track. Again, that'll just be installed to get it out of the way, put it on the trailer, and get some of this stuff moving around. To every solution, there's a possible problem. If there's a problem, there's a possible solution. So looking at this after I just kind of put it in place, I can actually lift this up a little bit, mount this over here, put these on this side, and have it reverse mounted as opposed to what you would do normally. And then that would give me the space to have this come back, and then this will be up against the threshold here. Looks like I have enough space there because this is the same spacing as this. So the tire will be rubbing against this, not so much of a big deal. Don't like it, but I can deal with it. And then this can come back that little bit, which then gives me more space for the trailer dolly. So guys, this is just a test fit. I am going to raise this way up so that I can actually access it a lot easier. But for now, the actual spacing of it is exactly where I want. So it's like square, like boom. Next thing is to mount this. I found some hardware in the garage there. Never throw out any extra hardware you have from projects. Always keep it nice and organized. I don't do that, but I should. And we're going to mount it right here. Beautiful. This is an amazing, simple little tool. I paid $500 for this. It's a bit expensive, but online you can find them used for around the same price. And you don't know what they've been through. So I figured, hey, Princess Auto's a great company. They will always back up their tools if anything goes wrong. And I did purchase the DeWalt version of this, which was also absolutely amazing. Although I sold that one and I went for a cheaper one. And then the price of the DeWalt one actually went up $100. So same tool, went up $100. Anyways, this is pretty sweet. I can't wait to be using this for all the other projects to come. Well, gosh dang. As you can see, that one's on spar, that one's in, and then this one, I missed. I'm not sure how that happened. Things like that happen. Go down here, we'll take a closer look, and if I lift this up, you'll see, if I can get a better angle at it. Oh, watch your fingers, guys. See where the bolt is there? And then I'm all the way over here. I'm way off. It is what it is. We'll fix that. So as I said earlier, I keep hardware from past projects. I had to switch out the hardware. Grab one up. Because even though that's a 1/4 inch 20, it's not exactly a 1/4 inch 20. So I grabbed some bolts that are 1/4 inch 20, and they're perfect. I did remeasure it, and it's just slightly off. So this is probably from something that didn't need exact measurements, and their cutting tools, or tool and die stuff, was not exact. Anyways, this is all sorted. I'm gonna wipe at the bottom of this, and now I can actually put my tools in here, as I've almost already started. There. Right here, I'm working on cleaning off the trailer, and I want to brace underneath the trailer so that when I'm driving, the wood itself, because it's all freeform right now, is bouncing. It makes a lot of noise. I don't like that. I like trailers to be silent or as quiet as possible. The other thing I'm doing here is adding the E-track. Now I'm going to make this trailer 16 feet. It is currently 12 feet, but I want to use the E-track in the meantime until I have the time to actually cut up the trailer and make it 16 feet. Why did I choose Easy Track? Well, rated for 6,000 pounds. These are rated for 3,500 pounds. And now they're strapped in. You can see these are not the proper fasteners. I will get better ones. It's just for now. And I'm not going to be putting a car on this for a while. And the final overview. Put a lock on the front here that's on the keychain. We got the box, so it has my straps, my other straps, my tire chock or tire ratchets. There'll be other ratchets put in here. And then I have obviously what you saw earlier. So I can put my ratchet straps to these, the easy anchor points, as I call them. I will be installing a trailer brake, like a breakaway system. So this thing will be 100% professional. And then with the way I'm putting everything, I brought the box forward where the tire is. The tire will be up a little bit higher so it's free and out of the way. Obviously this is going to get replaced and changed out. And then the bottom box is available for chains. Those won't bounce out. And they're they're kind of protected. So it's starting to look like a real trailer, slowly but surely. Looking beautiful with the easy tracks, and you see that they're 8 feet long each. Well, the idea to this is I'm eventually going to cut this trailer right up and extend it 16 feet, so an additional 4 feet, so there'll be new channels running all the way down, and then at that point we'll address any other problems that may arise. Obviously there will be things arising. And that brings us to the conclusion for today's video. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the content here, please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And take care. Peace. Bonus content for this week is the metal piece that's going to go here that keeps the tracks in. And I do want to paint everything, but that won't be happening for a while till I have everything finished and complete. I want to address the brakes, see how these ones are, and I want to install those ones. They're actually on sale this week. I didn't pick them up because I did end up picking up other brakes, and I was told they don't come on sale till December, and this is springtime. I said they're going to come on sale soon, and they can't tell me when they're going to come on sale, obviously, but they came on sale this week. So I'm going to get to these, see how they are. I still have to do all the lights and everything here, fix a few of them, but the lights do work. And yeah, that's it for the upcoming videos. And I do want to get into doing the videos with the GoPro. It's just so bloody easy with the iPhone. So be safe, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.